Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video, Daddy got a new toy. Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800. Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. This is your first time here and you're interested in learning how to cook authentic Cajun and Creole recipes, some comfort food, and just about anything for that matter, then you come to the right place. Click that subscription button, the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Now today's video, I'm going to show you the unboxing, a little bit of the putting it together, and the first cook of that Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800. Look, man, this grill is badass. I love this thing. This thing is a smoker. It will sear. It has a flat top griddle like a Blackstone. It does everything. It's digital. Look, I'm just going to stop talking. We're going to get straight to it. All right, we're going to start off by getting this out of the box. I want to see what's in here, and there are a million little pieces and parts to this thing. Make sure you go over the instruction booklet, the little parts list, and make sure you have everything before you start building this, because you'd hate to get halfway through it and then find out you're missing something, right? So let's go ahead and check out what's in this box. All right, there's going to be a few times where you're going to need some help with this thing. It's pretty big, it's pretty heavy. Most of it you could build by yourself, but like I said, make sure you have someone around to help you when you need it. All right, we're going to start putting this together. Make sure you follow the instructions. Now, I didn't find it too hard to put this together, but there is a lot of parts. It's very tedious, and you need to know what goes where. Alright, I have completed everything I'm supposed to do with this upside down. I got me some help. We're going to flip this sucker over, get it right side up, and finish building. Another cool feature with this grill is that the grates serve two different purposes. They're shaped like a triangle, so you get a pointy side that's for smoking, and you get a flat side that's for searing. Now on the side here, there's a couple of hooks that are there so that you can store the griddle top when you're not using it. Okay, there's two different manifolds for this thing. One you've already seen me install, and that's for grilling and smoking. This one is for when you want to use the griddle. And this bottom shelf is so that you can store one of the manifolds when you're not using it. All right, here we go. Now what we have left to do is the initial burn off. Now, according to instructions, what we need to do is fill it up with some charcoal, light it, set the temperature to 250 degrees. And once it hits that temp, we're just going to let it go for an hour. And that's going to get rid of all of the manufacturing oils and stuff on the inside of the cooking area. All right, real quick, to light this thing, this is where you're going to put your charcoal. And by the way, don't waste your time with this cowboy lump. It's garbage. Then you come over here, you put your little fire starter in that slot you see here, you light it up, then you let it sit for about 5 minutes just to get those bottom coals going. Then you close the top and bottom door and you come over here and you set your desired temp and you're good to go. All right, now you've got your initial burn in done, and once your hour is up, turn it off, let it cool completely. All right, now what you want to do is open it up, spray the entire inside with a good cooking spray, and or use some oil on a napkin. Get a nice coat of oil all over the inside, the lid, the back, the bottom, the grates, the griddle, and then you want to do this all over again. Light it up, set it to 250 degrees, let it go for an hour, but this time after that hour's up, you want to jack the temperature up to 400, let it go for another 30 minutes, and you just seasoned your grill. Now shut it off, let it cool down. Now the only thing left to do is call your family and friends over and just have a good old backyard barbecue. Look, this is my first cook on it. 3 racks of ribs, a whole package of drumsticks, and still had plenty of room on this thing. You can feed a nice group of people in one single cook on this grill. Just like anything in life, there's pros and cons, and this grill's no different. All right, now my pros and cons might be different than yours, which is perfectly fine, but I don't mind dealing with the cons that I have with it because this thing is under $1,000, and what you get for what you pay is just ridiculous. I don't mind dealing with a little bit of maintenance and some of the cons that I have for the price that I've paid. Now, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and if you haven't already and would like to subscribe, click here. If you want to check out some of the other barbecue videos I have on the channel, check out this playlist, or maybe this video is more to your liking. Either way, check out one of those and I'll see you there.